Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I will show you how to customize your Windows taskbar easily. Open app's right icon to pin taskbar. For remove apps, again right click icon to unpin taskbar. For move taskbar, right click taskbar and go to taskbar setting. Choose date, time, task view, widgets, etc. For show or hide icon, go to settings, then go to personalization. Again go to taskbar, then toggle what you want. If you want to change color or want to make transparent, open settings and go for personalization. Click on color, choose color accent plus turn on transparency. That's all. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.